This is the cotter pin. This is the pin that goes through the brake master cylinder, that little black metal piece we were just looking at, and through the pedal here. And then these are the two 14 mil or 12 mil nuts that hold the clutch master cylinder against the actual frame of the car. So we're going to be doing all that right up in there. And I'm going to flip this guy around actually, because we want it to look more like that. So you can see right now that basically this piece is not long enough, and I've got my loosened jam nut here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start reversing this guy just to make it longer. And then now you can see that that holds. I need to do like maybe a couple more rotations. So again, I'm just going to come down here. Come back up. So now that pin is pretty close. See how it likes that. So I am liking that. And right now the pedal is also all the way against the the little stopper right there. And so I've got this guy dialed in. There's also some play right here. So this is how you adjust how much play there is in your clutch pedal, the grab point. And so I'm gonna spin my lock nut down onto that. Okay. And now I'm gonna try to find that pin. So we've got this guy. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand so you can see this in real life. Basically, this guy's gonna come up just through there, just like that. So now that's happy. Now these guys are attached together. And now for the cotter pin, I'm gonna come up and I basically just shove this guy up that. So now that's locked in place. And I should have first did my two 12 mil nuts right here. So I'm gonna go add those guys on, but you guys got to see how the tricky part is, which is this thing right here. And I'm gonna tighten up this lock nut once I'm happy with where it is. But yeah, so that is how this thing should look.